Hello there everyone and welcome back guys. So today guys we're going to be doing a detail on this black Mercedes. In this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to do a full exterior wash, a clay decontamination, and also a polish and wax. Starting off with the wheels, I'm using the Garage Therapy Zero Decon car soap. Works very well on wheels and tires, and all plastic trim as well. Doing a thorough wash on the wheel, the inner barrel, behind the wheel spokes, and also the face of the wheel, of course. I'm going to pre-wash the car just using water because the car isn't that much dirty, so we can get away without using any pre-wash chemical here. This long handle microfiber wash mitt really comes in handy, especially in bigger vehicles. I've been using it for about a month now, and I love it. It makes car washing a lot easier. So because I'm using a rinseless wash, I can dry the car pretty much straight after the contact wash, or panel by panel. And of course, on this intricate areas like these grills, I'm using the soft Alien Magic brush. And here I also use a Turtle Waxes glove type of microfiber wash mitt. And the car is already looking pretty good. It has some scratches. And straight after the contact wash, we're gonna jump into the clay mitt process using the same bucket here with the same rinseless solution, and this will help us knock off all of those contaminants before the polishing process. Still using the same Turtle Wax ceramic polish. I love it. Easy to use, easy to remove, does a great job to bring that gloss back, and that's what I really want from this process here. First I spread out the polish on the lowest RPM setting with this machine, and then I go onto higher RPM. So I will use this polisher for bigger surfaces only, and I'm using the black pad here, which is the softest pad, the SPTA pad. And this is just for refining the surface or finishing the surface and leaving a protection behind. So my goal here was just to brighten up the paint a little bit. And what I like about the one-step polishing and waxing is that you don't remove that much paint, depending on how long you stay polishing, of course. But if you just go over the paint lightly, honestly, you get really good results, and you can do it all over and over again without really sacrificing that much clear coat. So for tighter and smaller areas, I'm just going to use my drill brush attachment here. I'm also going to use it on some trim pieces, the headlights, the side mirrors. So now this is what I call the finishing stage, where I use a quick detailer on the paint, finesse the windows, and also apply a tire dressing, and then the car is ready to go back to its owner. So this is 6 hours spent on detailing the car, guys. That includes the interior. The results are great. The car looks great, and I hope everybody liked this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.